Exodus trapped in time.
Hi, I'm Spotter from TriStar and Red Sector Incorporated. We are the Sleeping Gods. Welcome to Revision Online. Today we don't show you another first, but another burst. It's a game. It's Exodus trapped in time, and I wish you a sweet frag of mine.
Hello, my name is Joe from TriStar and Red Sector Incorporated. Today we will present to you Exodus, an old-school first-person shooter game. Exodus is a game that is a byproduct of the game engine Blast that I spent the last 8 months coding. Blast is platform-agnostic, old-school first-person game engine coded completely from scratch in C++ and a little bit of assembly. It runs completely on CPU. No OpenGL, DirectX, Vulkan, or any other 3D APIs are used whatsoever. Even though it's an old-school classic-style engine, it implements some of the most modern mechanics like physics, dynamic lighting, AI, completely destructible environments, and others. It consists of two parts: the game engine itself and Blasted for Blast Editor, which is the town map and gameplay editor. So with that said, enjoy the show and have fun.
The main technology behind Blast's rendering is the raycasting, well known from the early games like Wolfenstein 3D, Rise of the Triad, Blackstone, System Shock and others. In Blast, it's implemented as a mix of digital differential analysis, floating point calculations, and Bresenham's algorithm that handles the integer computations in order to achieve maximum accuracy while balancing maximum performance. The dynamic lighting affects all objects in the given sectors that illuminates in real time. The perspective-correct texture mapping of the floors and ceilings is done per pixel with single level of depth ray tracing that is processing each pixel's channel separately so the environmental illumination can take effect on the final frame that is being rendered. The AI is based on finite-state machine with some twists. Blast supports gravity and Newtonian physics, which contribute to the fun factor by making colliding objects to bounce from each other in physically correct manner. The backbone of Blast is its entity component system, which makes it flexible and highly extendable by attaching different components to different kinds of objects dynamically on runtime. Of course, every good game engine comes with its tools. Blasted is a tile map and gameplay editor that helps the user build his own games and levels. Blasted comes with its own gallery of textures, which is easily extendable by just copying your own textures to the related gallery subdirectory. The predefined game objects makes it easy to build your level with just a few clicks. With Blasted, you literally draw your level with the mouse or fluid fill big areas with the same kind of objects with a single click. Each kind of object has its distinctive properties that you can fine-tune. Blasted has several layers separated by context: walls, ceilings, floors, actors, items, sprites, and light maps. Blast turned out to be a fun project that even John Romero himself appreciated when I demoed an early version of it to him.
Exodus trapped in time.